Hello, welcome to the course, and today we are going to study about how to restore AutoCAD Classic Workspace. So before the modern AutoCAD with the ribbons and quick access tools, pull down menus and toolbars were mostly used for the access of the commands frequently use commands and tools. While Classic Workspace is no longer a part of AutoCAD installation, you can still use many of the legacy features which were the part of the previous workflow. So here you can see that these are my workspace settings as we have learned in the previous video, and here you can see that there are different kind of workspace like an architecture workspace, an AutoCAD Classic Workspace which I have restored from a previous version, a 3D basic, 3D modeling and drafting workspace, and a workspace which we have created in a previous lecture. So today we are going to create the AutoCAD Classic Workspace and see how to create the toolbars, how to restore our AutoCAD Classic Workspace. So before doing that, let's take a quick tour to this workspace and see how it was first looked at to create it as it was. So this is the actual user interface of that workspace, AutoCAD Classic Workspace, and here you can see that there is a draw toolbar on the left hand side, modify toolbar on the right hand side, and some other toolbars containing different functionality. So to create an AutoCAD Classic Workspace, I will go into my workspace, and here we can create a new workspace. So to create a new workspace, simply go on to quick access toolbar, and in this option pull down menu, click on it, and in the customize quick access toolbar, here go into show more commands and then hit. Okay, so now you can go and also active our show the menu bar, and now in the menu bar we are going to select the option. So to show more, go to the hide ribbon. So here in the workspace tool, go into the palettes, and here there is an option of ribbon. Select it, and all the ribbons which we have created earlier will be disappear. We can restore it again. Simply go into the tools and go into the palettes, click on it, and all our ribbons will be restored as it was before you have done the editing. But now in this topic we are going to see how to create an AutoCAD Classic Workspace, and not this workspace, not the ribbons and the pull down menus and our old type of version of AutoCAD software. So to create that, go into the tools, select the palettes, and here hit the ribbon, and the ribbons all be off. Then the next thing we are going to do is to simply go into the tools. In this, here is the option of toolbars. So the tools, the ribbons which we are seeing contains a tools, and these toolbars can separately be added in the drawing. So to add it, go into the toolbars, select the version of the AutoCAD, depends upon what version you are using, an AutoCAD 2018, 21, 20, 19, architectural, mechanical or electrical, depends upon the software which you are using. And here in this option we are going to see some tools. So the basic is the draw tool, so I will select the draw, and as you can see in the left hand side the draw tool appears. Again with the same pattern, go into toolbars, go into architecture, and here we can select the modify. So in the left hand side the modify tool appears as it was in the classic version. Then again in the toolbar, go here, I want a tool for insert, I can insert it. Then again in the toolbar, go here, hit a layer tab, we get a layer. Again go into tools, go into architecture, I want a property tab, I get the property of each and every type. So go into tools, again select a standard toolbar. Okay, so here we get the save, open options available. Then go into this, get a workspace, we can get a workspace toolbar. So it depends upon which project you are using and which kind of a function you need. So if I sometimes a toolbar just pop up in the drawing window, you can just simply select here and drag it to your location where you want to place. And this is how we can set up our AutoCAD Classic Workspace. And to create this workspace, we are going to go into the customize interface, and here we are going to save it as current and give a name to it. So here we are going to add a name. So here we are going to actually add classic and hit a save. Now this workspace has been saved with the name classic, and as you can see here we get a workspace with a classic, and then we can use this tool as it was before earlier. So I hope that this video is informative to you. See you in the next class. Thank you.